This is Troy with Utah's Blind Spot, here to show you one of our products from Norman called SmartDrape. This particular product is great for sliding glass doors. It traverses on and off the window easily. A lot of pet owners find this particularly great because you can just slide the shade slightly over and let your dog in or out as opposed to having to lift the shade all the way off the glass. SmartDrape has a sheer front that makes it easy to see through in the daytime and gives an unobstructed view. It also gives privacy within the home. And then each of the slats comes available in either light filtering or room darkening. You can also close by tilting the shade. This particular shade has a light filtering, so when it's closed you'll have 100% privacy but still light. You can also get this in a room darkening louver. One of the neat things about this is particularly kid-friendly in that each of these separates so kids can access the door going through any of these. They're also kid-friendly in that these each are individual pieces of fabric that can easily be unclipped, and they are machine washable. Simply throw them in a garment bag and in your washing machine and hang them back up and you're good to go. This is the Norman SmartDrape and a perfect product for a sliding door.